Hello children, the second chapter, paws and wings, the magnificent animals kingdom. Till here, see, till here we have completed this portion in previous class. Next, today we will continue from page number 163. Page number 163. See here. So, in this page, so many different animals are there. I think you are not seen these animals. Okay. Animals need to move in order to search for food. In last class we have learnt animals need to move in order to search for food, protect themselves and their babies from being hunted, and build resting and breeding places. Animals have different types. See here, these animals also different types, no? Animals have different types of body parts or limbs for movements and different ways of moving from one place to another. See here, this is elephant, male mandrill, sword-nosed bat. See here, lantern play, aardvark, star-nosed mole. See here, this nose is like a star, no? Star-nosed mole, goblin shark, unicorn fish, proboscis monkey. This is one of a monkey. Animals usually use their noses. See here, different noses are there. See here, noses and snouts to investigate new place and to forage for food. Apart from breathing, their sensitive noses can smell and sense food and danger. We also smell food and another, no? Smell, we can also smell the food, no? Let's look at some of the weirdest noses, snouts in the animal kingdom. Okay. See here, these all are marine animals. Marine animals. See here, most marine animals have gills. Do you know gills? Fish have gills. And most marine animals have gills, which have thin membranes containing lots of blood vessels. The gases are exchanged as water flows over the gills. Unlike fish, most marine mammals have lungs and they cannot take oxygen from sea water. They come to the surface to breathe. See here, this is octopus, crab, tadpole, shark, dolphin, whale. This is blowhole. Whales have a blowhole right on top of their head. As they come up to breathe, the stale air is released back into the sea through their blowhole. Okay. See here, these are fish. In fish, the gills are covered by a flap which they control by opening and closing their mouth. Next, living things need to breathe all the time in order to stay alive. Breathing is the physical action of taking air into the body, exchanging needed gases with waste gases. Gases means what? That is oxygen. Waste gases means carbon dioxide. Using the needing gases to release energy from the food consumed so that other life processes can continue smoothly, releasing waste gases. Waste gases means what? Waste gases means carbon dioxide. Different animals live in different habitats. So they have different organs from breathing. Okay, children. Next. See here, some colorful insects are there. See here. Insects have tiny holes called spiracles along the side of their bodies. These spiracles are connected to the network of air tubes called tracheae, which carry oxygen-rich air to all parts of the body and remove carbon dioxide. See here, these are tracheae. These are spiracles. These are air sacs. See here, spiracles. Okay, children, tell me, how do insects breathe? How do insects breathe? Insects have tiny holes called spiracles. See here, spiracles along the side of their bodies. See here, see. These spiracles are connected to a network of air tubes called tracheae, which carry oxygen-rich air to all parts of the body and remove carbon dioxide. See here, these six-legged creatures. Insects have 6 legs. No? These 6-legged creatures usually use their legs from movement. Insects like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. A grasshopper, see here, this is grasshopper. Grasshopper uses its long hind legs for hopping. See here, these are hind legs. Water insects like water boatmen use their legs as oars for swimming. Some insects have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. See here, these are wings. 2 pairs of wings and can play. See here. The wings of insects are different from those of birds. They have no feathers or bones or strong muscles. Their wings are made of tiny colored scales. They move with the help of their chest muscles. Insects such as lice and bedbugs do not have wings. They cannot fly. They move by crawling. Okay. Next, simple animals and worms. Do you know worms? Yes, simple animals and worms breathe through their skin surface. They do not have any special organs from respiration. See here, flatworm. For example, flatworm. The exchange of gases takes place directly between their skin and the environment. The only requirement is that their skin must stay moist. Okay, these are simple animals or worms. Okay, next, terrestrial mammals and reptiles. Okay, Most terrestrial mammals. Most terrestrial mammals, reptiles and birds breathe through their nose, and the respiratory process is carried out in organs known as the lungs. Oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released through the nostrils. Most mammals. What do you mean by mammals, children? Most mammals have 4 limbs. The 2 at the front are called forelimbs and the 2 at the back are called hind limbs. See here. These are hind limbs. These are forelimbs. Some animals use all the 4 limbs here. All the 4 limbs to move, while others use only the hind pair. Can you name the most famous animal which walks on 2 legs? Tell me. For example, kangaroo. Okay. Next. See here, movement. Animals movement. What is animals movement, children? Movement in animals. Animals need to move in order to search for food, protect themselves and their babies from being hunted, and build resting and breeding places. Animals have different types of body parts of limbs for movement and different ways of moving from one place to another. Animals spend most of their lives on the move. They move for finding food, finding a mate, and for escaping from danger. At times, they move just to go to a more habitable place, and for this, some of them travel or cover long distance. Depending upon their need, different animals have become experts at running, flying, crawling, jumping, climbing trees, swimming, and etc. Most animals on land move using the limbs that they have. There are 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. Okay, children. Next, tree dwellers. What is tree dwellers, children? Animals that live high up in the trees. High up in the trees live through the branches, but they can get badly injured or even die if they fall. Apart from the limbs, these animals have a strong tail to give them additional grip and support both for climbing. See here. These animals have a strong tail. See here. This is animal tail, strong tail to give them additional. See here. This also additional grip and support both for climbing up or sliding down trees. See here. Long-tailed pangolin. Next, monkeys and apes have eyes in front of their heads, not on the sides as other animals have. This helps them to judge distance. Why do monkeys and apes have eyes in front of their hands? Tell me, children. Why do monkeys, apes have eyes in front of their hands? Monkeys and apes live high up in the trees, through the branches, but they can get bloody, badly injured, or even die if they fall. So they have eyes in front of their heads to help them to judge distance. Okay children, the sloth, this is sloth animal. The sloth is known to be the slowest mover in the kingdom. This helps it avoid the sharp eyes of eagles and other birds of prey as it hangs upside down from the tree tops in rainforests. Okay, this is sloth. Next, the male orangutan is the heaviest tree dwelling animal. This is orangutan, weighing nearly 100 kgs. So instead of putting his weight on the branches, he hangs underneath them and then swings from tree to tree. Here. Next, forest ground. What is forest ground, children? For animals that live in the open forest, speed is very crucial. Okay, for animals that live in the open forest, speed is very crucial both for predators as well as prey. Next, the Sasabi. See here, the Sasabi, this is the Sasabi fondly called Topi. Topi by the Mansi tribe is the fastest antelope. Okay. Next, most grazers have long legs and sharp, observant hooves to make a quickly get away. Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. What is fastest? Which is fastest animal on land? Cheetah is the fastest animal on land with a lightweight, long and thin body, see here, and a fixable spine. Its body is built for short bursts of speed. It manages to bring down its prey by stalking straightly and sprinting at the last moment. Its long legs aid the sprinting. Okay children, tell me, the cheetah lives in the grasslands. How has it adapted itself? Tell me. The cheetah lives in the grasslands. How has it adapted itself? Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. The cheetah has a lightweight, long and thin body and a fixable spine. Its body is built for short bursts of speed. They like dry, open grasslands where they can pick up speed to kill prey. Their claws help it catch its prey, which runs nearly as quickly to escape this running machine. Okay children, we will continue next class. This chapter is so big, no? So next page we will continue next class and study well. Okay, bye.